Okay, so I bought this primary felt. My baby has gotten into the felt, so it's kind of a mess. But I purchased this from Walmart today, and it has the colors that I need. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started on my stones. I'm going to take this gray sheet of felt and fold it into thirds and then cut it. So I just trimmed this a little bit, rounded it out for the stones. You can make them however you want, but that's what I did. Okay, so to make, I hope you got those wooden dolls. I have some wooden dolls here. My daughter wants to play with them. I have some wooden dolls. I have some Ultra Plush. And this is going to be for our sticks to roast the marshmallows, our fake marshmallows. I have some white felt and some brown felt to cover our dowels. And the white felt we're going to stuff with this. It should be pretty cute. To do the marshmallow roasting sticks, all I'm going to do is take our dowel, fold it over, and close it into the felt. Cut it and stitch it down the side, just like that. Very simple. See, I started to draw the outline of the fire, and then I'm going to cut it out and fold it over and trace the other side. I fold it over. Once I cut that out, I'm going to fold it over and cut out the other. So when we're finished, it should look like this. Okay, so I'm just going to, I have pins in here, and I'm just going to go around. As you see, I have coordinating thread. I'm going to use coordinating thread, so the yellow, so the orange, so the red. Okay, so I'm just going to go gently around the orange. So once this is all sewn, I'm going to stuff the bottom of it. And I'm hoping that by stuffing the bottom, it's going to give it some weight so this will stand up once it's all sewn together. And I'm just going to top stitch that. And we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I actually stuffed the whole thing for the most part. I stuffed more of it because I was finding, I stuffed it until I found that it was able to stand on its own because that's what I wanted. It's super simple. We're just going to take the whole sheet of felt. I'm going to fold it on one side, stitch across this side, right? And then stuff it. Stitch across the side, turn it on the right side, stuff it, and sew it closed. Super simple. When it's done, it's going to look something like this.